Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out by Spanish Town and we're giving you an update on the new 6-story hospital building that's being built out here. Now straight ahead that is the construction site, and the building is going to be 6 floors and it's going to be 17,000 square meters. And the estimated cost is $5.5 billion. Now, this hospital was built years ago, 1952, and back then the layout was more flat. They didn't go more than two stories. But because they've run out of space now, and Spanish Town is such a developed area, they have started to go more vertical. So that's why the buildings are getting taller, and this one is 6 floors. They are actually doing this at a lot of the other hospitals as well. At the University Hospital of the West Indies, they are actually building 6-floor buildings as well. But we'll talk about that in another video. Now, something I've noticed is it looks like, some structures they use a steel frame, the thick steel bars, and build a structure. I've noticed that a lot in especially New Kingston. But out here, it looks like they're using the small steel that fits between blocks. So this looks like it's going to be a concrete structure, the entire structure, steel and concrete. I've noticed both in Jamaica, and I'm not sure if one has an advantage over the other, but if you notice, that steel goes in between the blocks. If anybody knows anything more about the difference between the two methods, let us know. Leave a comment in the section below. Alright, well, this development just started this year, and as you can see, they're moving along. They actually have 2 cranes out here. Not sure why for a 6-story building, but they have 2 massive cranes. Alright, we're going to go through an update to give you more information on what's happening here. Spanish Town Hospital, located in St. Catherine, is one of Jamaica's oldest and most important healthcare facilities. Originally opened in 1952, it has served generations of patients but has been due for a major upgrade to meet rising demand and modern standards. To address this, the Government of Jamaica, with financial support under the Health System Strengthening Program and backing from partners like the Inter-American Development Bank, launched a redevelopment project worth roughly $5.5 billion to transform the hospital into a modern facility. A brand new 6-story hospital building spanning over 17,000 square meters is being constructed on a greenfield site next to the existing facility. The new structure will house expanded clinical and diagnostic services, including accident and emergency, radiology, outpatient services, multiple operating theaters, and specialty wards, all tied together with a modern electronic health record system. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Have a good day.